another example of like ADHD tax and, you know, ADHD brain. This happened 2-3 times in the past 18 months. Locksmith had to come. Do you know how expensive a locksmith is? Why do you think I had to get a locksmith? Not once, not twice, because at the time I was a little bit anxious about stuff, and in the fluster of my anxiousness, I left my keys inside the house. And yeah. So for all those people out there that say, oh, we're all just a little bit ADHD, and oh, doesn't everyone have ADHD these days? Go fuck yourselves.